I'd honestly say every day I try to make my proudest moment. There's always room to grow here, and there's always different things to learn and get into.
We have so many different jobs that I haven't even seen them all.
You tell them you're interested in something, and they already have thoughts going through their head about what they'd be able to do to help you further your career.
And being trained to do this job, it's really opened up a lot of things for me here.
You know, I have sat at many different desks in many different positions in the company, and you know, Rick was a big part of that. Is, you know, he's seen my potential and put me in different roles to help build and change the culture of DeKALB. Rick being my mentor, I mean, it gives me a great self-esteem. It makes me feel confident in what I do.
For me personally, I like to get the people that maybe aren't so good at doing something and force them into it so they have to grow. From the engineering staff, the material staff, the quality staff, all things have to come together to make good parts. Everybody gets along well with everybody else.
Most of the people that I work with are like family. I mean, I was in a pretty rough patch with my finances and being a single parent, and these guys back here stepped up and got me a car battery and tires for my car. You know, they paid for my daycare. They're not just people that I work with, they're special.
Well, I definitely see progression here that I haven't seen at other jobs.
You know, I come from the automotive world, and it was more of, you're a number, do your job, move on, and it's the personal touch here at DeKALB that we have that makes it great to work here.
When we start a job, a lot of times it's daunting, and you think to yourself, we're never going to get this done. And 3 days later, you're done. Sometimes you don't even know how you did it, you just did it.
It's a great place to work, if you ask me. I mean, it's one of the best jobs I've had.